What are we doing today?
Boy, if you don't get...
If you guys want to see how I achieved this makeup look, stay tuned. What's up, my Kyrie queens? It's your girl Kyrie Contour. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys are here today. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, there's a bell down there that nobody ever knows about. Click that bell. That bell shows you when exactly my videos post, and you will not miss one video. Let's get into today's tutorial. Today's video, we are going to do something a little different. I am testing out my artistic skills today, guys. Yes, I'm doing it for you and you only. I did not know I can do this. At the end of the video, y'all tell me if you like how I came up with this idea, if you like how I played on a little bit of artistic work, just a little bit. If you want to see how I achieved this look, make sure you wait. Make sure you stay right there. Don't go nowhere. All right, guys, so I already was playing with this yellow and I like how it came out. So I went into my James Charles palette and I used the shade B for this eye, and I'm gonna actually do that for my other eye now. So I'm just packing that on. And what I'm doing first, I'm actually packing the color on, and then I will do my windshield wiper motions and my circular motion and my wax on, wax off motion. See, as you can tell, I've already done like my foundation and my eyeshadow base. So I used my LA Girls Pro Conceal in the shade Creamy Beige for my eyeshadow base. I actually also did the eyeshadow primer, very thin layer of eyeshadow primer underneath, just to make sure it's not going anywhere for the rest of the day, because I gotta go to work after this. I'm gonna go into the shade Tuned in my James Charles palette just to put it under my eyebrow, on the eyebrow bone. That's just a lighter version of it, and yeah, let's see how that looks. I just want to tell you guys thank you so much for just supporting me and helping me grow. I'm learning a lot about myself and about life right now. Everything is just falling into place for me, and I'm very thankful, very grateful to God, and very appreciative of my family. I'm very appreciative of my friends. And yeah, let's go into the next shade before I get all emotional and sentimental and all this is gonna come out. Now I'm gonna go into my Juvia's Place palette. It's the Wahala palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade Oversabi. And I hope I am pronouncing these right, because I don't want y'all coming for me if I'm getting all these wrong. Like, I am a newbie to the makeup names and all these things that people come up with, so I'm so sorry. Maybe you should give like a little tutorial or something of how to pronounce these names.
And
Oversabi is just a darker yellow, and I want to deepen that in my crease. Crease. I look crazy doing this eye. Yes. Just feeling nothing but sunshine in the rain.
no, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Now Sopranos. No!
So now I'm gonna hop right back into my James Charles palette, because I'm a ride or die James Charles palette fan. I'm sorry, I love it. It might be too big for y'all, but it's not too big for me.
That's what she said.
I'm gonna go into my No Beans shade and put it in outer corners and kind of deepen the crease even more. And we're gonna press into the outer third and then feather in. I'm gonna go into Spooky in my James Charles palette. That's just a matte black eyeshadow, and I'm gonna put it in the outer corners to deepen it some more. I love to have a deep look. It just makes my eyes pop more. I have big eyes, and I feel like too much light is gonna make them look even bigger. So I need some darkness to kind of blend that out some. A little bit of Spooky on this brush right here, and I'm gonna go in and go into the very crease of that. Ooh, I should call this look Honeycomb. Oh my God. So now I'm gonna go back into No Beans and put it on my lower lash line. Go back into B and do my lower lash line on the inner corner now. I'm gonna have to put my glasses on for this, guys. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna go in with my Hard Candy's liquid eyeliner, and this shade is called Yellow. It's me. Yellow. It's me. No? All right. So then we're gonna put it over the white. Guys, and that is it for my eyes. I'm just going to, I cannot believe I did this, but I am just going to finish up my eyeliner and put some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Also do my lips too. You know, I can't just be looking like this with no lips on. I'll be right back. Guys, I gotta get out of here. I gotta go to work. So I love you guys. I love how this look turned out. I hope you guys love it too. Until next time, be safe, be loved, be strong, my queens. I will see you in my next video. Bye.